Bar clamps are essential tools for any woodworking project. There are many products available to choose bar clamps, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bar clamps from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics 6-Piece Trigger Clamp Set. The Amazon Basics 6-Piece Trigger Clamp Set includes 2 pieces of 4-inch clamps and 4 pieces of 6-inch clamps, which are made of durable nylon with hardened steel bars that resist bending. The 4-inch clamp gives 22 pounds of clamping force, while the 6-inch clamp gives 100 pounds of clamping force. With non-marring pads and a one-handed trigger, it can protect surfaces from damage and provide an instant clamp release, making it ideal for clamping smaller pieces and working in confined spaces. Number 2. Jorgensen 6 Spreader Bar Clamp Set. The Jorgensen 6 Spreader Bar Clamp Set is a versatile tool that can be used as a clamp or spreader. With a maximum opening capacity of 6 and a normal load limit of 150 pounds. It features a light-duty EZ hole design and a patented sliding head that maintains higher clamping forces up to 300 pounds. The inline advancing handle provides comfort and ease of use, and the plastic pads ensure durability and protection for your projects. Number 3. Max Power Bar Clamp. Max Power Bar Clamp Set includes 6 pieces of woodworking clamps in sizes of 24-inch 2, 12-inch 2, and 6-inch 2, with clamping capacity ranging from 150 mm to 600 mm, and maximum spreading capacity up to 800 mm. The reversible jaw allows for easy conversion to a spreader, and the quick clamps provide easy one-handed operation, making it ideal for woodworking projects such as gluing or cabinet making. Constructed with heat-treated steel bar and reinforced nylon body, it offers maximum durability and clamping force. Additionally, the removable no-marring pads protect work surfaces, while providing a good amount of torque. Number 4. Shell 12-inch Steel Bar Clamp Set. The Shell Bar Clamp Set is a versatile and reliable tool for woodworking, metalworking, DIY, and crafts, with a maximum load limit of 600 pounds and a clamping force of up to 600 pounds. These medium-duty steel bar clamps can securely hold many workpieces. The 14-thicker hardened steel construction provides greater impact resistance, allowing for larger and more consistent pressure on wood and metal workpieces. The quick adjust design with quick-release latches allows for easy and fast adjustment and locking. The dual-sided precision grooves and anti-slip mechanism ensure excellent grip and prevent the clamp arm from sliding. The ergonomic rubber handle offers a comfortable and relaxed grip, making it ideal for a variety of users. Equipped with soft plastic removable jaw pads, these clamps distribute pressure evenly and reduce damage to the workpiece's contact surface. Number 5. Horasty 8-Pack Bar Clamps. The Horasty 8-piece bar clamps for woodworking includes 4 PCS 6 bar clamps, 2 PCS 12 bar clamps, and 2 PCS 6 spring clamps. The high-quality hardened steel bar and strong nylon body can withstand high-frequency use at the construction site. The quick change button design allows the clamp to function as a spreader, with up to 150 pounds of squeeze capacity and metal ratchet construction. It is perfect for woodworking and home repairs. The flexible material and non-slip texture of the pad enhance the clamping force, and the quick-release design and ergonomic handle make it easier to use. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.